2025 is coming. Another year, another chance. But let me ask you something. How many times have you told yourself, this is the year I'll change my life? And how many times did nothing really change? What if I told you there's just one thing you need to do? One simple decision that could completely transform your life? Sounds impossible, right? But stay with me. This could be the moment that changes everything. You see, most people start a new year by setting big goals, lose weight, make more money, find happiness. But here's the truth. Goals don't work without action, and action won't happen unless you change your mindset. So what's the one thing you should do in 2025? Commit. Not just to a goal, but to becoming a person who doesn't give up. It's not about perfection, it's about showing up. Even on the days when you don't feel like it. Even when no one is cheering you on. The moment you commit to consistency, no matter how small the steps, that's when your life starts to change. Whether it's building a new skill, taking care of your health, or working on something you've always dreamed of, show up every day. That's the secret no one talks about. Success isn't built overnight. It's built in the quiet moments when no one is watching and you're doing the hard work anyway. So, as 2025 begins, ask yourself, will this be just another year, or will it be the year you finally commit? The choice is yours, and if you're ready to take that journey with us, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's make 2025 the year you become unstoppable.